Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ingrid V. Today I'm going to be going over a hair that I purchased from Hair ViVi. I'm going to go over boxing, pros, cons, all the good stuff. So first I'm going to go with the boxing. The way the hair came in and the box it came in was really good. It didn't come in damaged or anything like that. I'm going to show you the box. It's this one here. It says Hair ViVi. It also comes with the bow. As you can see, when the box came in, it didn't come in damaged or anything like that. It came in really good condition. Inside of the box you have your wig, which I have on my head. You have one comb, 2 clips, and 2 stocking caps. And then a little brochure that tells you how to take care of the hair. So that's everything that comes in the box. The hair itself has 4 combs and an elastic band to hold your wig down, and then it has an adjuster in the back as well. So that's what the wig comes with. I should have showed you guys what it looked like, but I was so hyped to put this on my head that I did it before I did the video. But this is it right here. The wig is called Maria. If you go to Hair ViVi, the wig is called Maria. I like Maria. I'm feeling Maria. So that's for the wig, the name. Don't mind me. I'm stuttering a little bit because I'm kind of nervous. My first video, so bear with me. So I'm gonna go over the pros and cons as well. The pros for me is the knots are bleached. It does come with baby hairs. Minimal shedding. Those are all pros for me. If you're like me and you're like that lazy wig person that doesn't want to do all that extra bleaching and tweezing and all of that, this is the hair for you. HairViVi.com. I didn't have to do any plucking. I didn't have to do no bleaching of the knots. Nothing like that. I just took the hair out the box and put it on my head. That's all I did. No lie. That's all I did. Also, it didn't have a smell, which is a plus for me, because I can't do a wig that comes in with a smell. I just can't do it. Can't do it. I did cold wash the hair when I got it. I did cold wash it, but other than that, like, that's it. So those were all pros for me. As far as the cons go, the knots are over bleached. I'm not gonna lie to you. Well, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. The knots were over bleached, and they're still over bleached because I did not even go over them yet. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see here, it's over bleached. And then flyaways. Oh, the flyaways. I literally have to use my Got2b Freeze Blast to kind of tone it down. I rub it on my hand just a little bit, kind of put it on both sides to tone it down. And I do also use a coconut oil serum, just a little dab, rub that as well, and you know, kind of like to tone it down a little bit. I do that for the flyaways, but those 2 things are cons for me, like the bleaching of the knots, the flyaways. Other than that, the hair is A1. Like, I have really no complaints on the hair. Shedding is a big thing for me. This hair does not shed at all. It really does not. Like, I lied to you not, this hair does not shed. So that's a good thing for me. Pricing. I don't think for 20 inches, $181 was a bad price. They did have a discount though the day that I did it, but I don't think that $181 was a bad price. For the hair, really and truly, I don't think it was. I do want to also state that I paid for this with my own money. This was not sent to me. This is not no sponsorship, nothing like that. I am a real customer that purchased a wig, and I am reviewing it for you guys, just so you guys can see for yourself if you do go out and order. Again, it's Hair ViVi, which I will put the link below, and this wig is called Maria. I will be reviewing more wigs that I get from them, and then I will be reviewing other wigs that I got from different companies. So please be on the lookout for that. I do have more videos coming as far as makeup tutorials, again, like I said, more wig reviews and everything like that. This is a new page, so please like and subscribe, please. This is a new page, and I'm sorry, not page, channel. This is a new channel. So please like and subscribe. And this look I have today is one of my go-to looks. So if you want to see how I got this look, I will definitely make a video for it and put it up. If you do guys want to see it, just comment below, just let me know, you know, all the good stuff. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you. And again, like and subscribe. Thank you guys.